The recipe of pumpkin sabji and this wheat flour puri, you will fall in love with it. Incredibly delicious and very simple and easy to make. I am taking approximately 2 kg of pumpkin. I'll cut it and make it half. So I have 1 kg of pumpkin, yellow pumpkin. I will cut it into big dices. Don't throw the peel and the seeds also. I will remove this, but I will let it dry and keep it in my fridge. It's very important, and nuts and skin of pumpkin is very nutritious and it regulates hormonal problem. So try to take it in daily lifestyle. It is very important. See, I peel all the leather of the pumpkin and seeds also. I will remove these seeds and wash thoroughly and keep it in a jar and store in the fridge. It can be stored for 3 to 6 months, or you can cut it julienne like and fry or roast in the pan and have it. It's very tasty. Now I diced all the rest of the pumpkin in the big chunk, just like this. So it's ready. Now I will make sabji. In a big kadhai or wok, take 2 big spoon of oil and heat till the aroma has disappeared and add panch foran. You can add only methi dana, add hing or asafoetida, a pinch of hing, and now I will add 2 red chili and the chopped onion. I am adding curry leaves also. So let it roast for a while. Now it's golden brown. After 2 or 3 minutes it will be golden brown. So let it roast. See, now I will add coriander powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and red chili powder 1 tablespoon, or as per your taste. You can skip it if you are not fond of the red chili. Roast it till aroma came. Now I will add pumpkin chunk. See, all the pumpkin chunk I have added in the kadhai or wok. Now mix it thoroughly and let it cook for a 5 to 6 minutes at medium to low flame. Add salt as per your taste. Salt will cook it very fast because it releases water. Mix and cover to cook at low flame. Now I will make dough for the puris. Take 4 cups of wheat flour or white flour in a parat. Add water in the batches and make dough. Dough should not be very moist or hard. I am making dough by adding water in batches. See, the dough has been not very hard, not very soft. Now let it cover and keep aside. Let's check the sabji. Yeah, pumpkin has released juices and it becoming tender. All the spices getting mixed and a strong smell of spices coming out, and oh, make my hunger pang strong. So let it cook for a while again by covering it at the medium to low flame, and I am stirring meanwhile. See, it becomes tender. Pumpkin has become soft. So sabji has been cooked perfectly. See, yeah, I am showing you it cooked perfectly cooked. So at this stage I am adding green coriander leaves or cilantro for garnishing and the turmeric pulp. If you do not have turmeric pulp, you can add lemon juice also. It makes the taste of pumpkin very good and enhances the digestive property of the pumpkin. Now I am again covering it and cook for a while, for 2 or 3 minutes only, and let the pumpkin and all the spices cooked. See, our sabzi is ready to serve. Spicy, juicy and some tangy and sweety dish. So I will keep aside and let it fry puri. To heat the oil in karhai and make some small balls of the atta dough. Again I will mash it, and atta has been prepared. So make a small ball by hand. With the help of hand, cut small balls to make puri. I am doing like this. Please watch the whole video to do the perfect puri. So I am making this small balls. I am rubbing the oil in the hole, and with the help of rolling pin I am making the puri. All the puri I will make like this with the rolling pin. A medium size puri has prepared. Now I will test the oil by dropping a little pinch of dough. Oil has ready to fry. Now very carefully I will dip the puri one by one and fry it like this, pressing very lightly and make it balloon. See, the perfect crispy and the golden puri has ready. So rest of the puri I will fry like this. Make it crisp. Press slightly and it will give a balloon shape. Definitely. See, do it like this and you will get the perfect puri. Now I will do plating. Keep sabji and the fully balloon like puri, and now you can enjoy it. It's very delicious, and you know the healthy and nutritious value has been increased with this spices also. So try to make in your kitchen and write back to me. Please subscribe my channel to get the wonderful and delicious recipes every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.